All right, time to take a look at the Ratchet wrench set. Okay. So this is the main tool. We can see that we have a 1/4-inch drive here on the top. We have our selector switch here. So that's going to be forward and backward. There's a fairly nice ratcheting mechanism. And it does have a plate on the back, so we're not going to have to worry about that drive sticking all the way through. We don't have to get specialty bits or anything like that. So that's nice. This is a plastic handle, but it is a fairly thick plastic handle. This isn't one of those hollow handles that you see with some of these drivers. And this is our bit selection. So we've got 3 styles of Phillips, 2 styles of flat, 2 styles of Torx, and these are security Torx. They have a hole in the front. And then these are PZ Phillips. So these are a little bit different. They're still going to work on most Phillips bolts. But if you ever see one of those Phillips screws but it has the extra star in it, then that's what this is for. And then we have a square drive, so great for most electricians. So you can take this out, drop it in there, and this is the main thing that you get one of these for, is for that extra clearance. Like if you try to compare that to a screwdriver, anything like that, you can fit this in places that you just can't fit this. So if you're like me and you're just wondering like how in the heck did they expect anybody to actually be able to work on this piece of equipment, this is the solution for that without having to actually disassemble the whole thing. And then lastly, we have this adapter. So this does hold fairly well. I believe this is a magnet holding that in place. Well, you just put that in that adapter, and that is definitely a magnet holding that. And then we could throw this in here. Yeah, cool. So that's going to hold no problem. So overall, that is a very cool tool.